Short Tigrinya grammar, Sewasu Tigrinya. In this chapter, we will continue our exploration of auxiliary verbs tahagagesti gasi.
Auxiliary verbs. Negative form of the verb to have.
حجزتي قسي مهلاو ألوتاوي أنا يبلين
I have not.
نسخا يبلكان
You have not. Masculine.
نسخي يبلكن
You have not. Feminine.
نسو يبلون
He has not.
نسا يبلان
She has not.
نحنا يبلنان
We have not.
نسخاتكم يبلكمن
You have not. Masculine plural.
نسخاتكن يبلكنن
You have not. Feminine plural.
نساتهم يبلومن
They have not. Masculine plural.
نساتن يبلنن
They have not. Feminine plural. Polite form.
أخبرت نسخم يبلكمن
You have not. Masculine polite form.
نسخن يبلكنن
You have not. Feminine polite form.
نسوم يبلومن
He has not. Polite form.
نسن يبلنن
She has not. Polite form. Sentences with auxiliary verbs.
ملوء حسابات بحجزتي قسي ዝናብ ይዘንብ ኣሎ
It is raining.
ጽባሕ ንምጽዋዕ ክንከይድ ኣሎና
We have to go to Misawa tomorrow.
ሎሚ ኣነ ክሰርሕ እየ
I will be working today.
ንስኺ ምሳና ክትምሃሪ ኢኺ
You will be studying with us.
ንሶም ኩዕሶ ክጻወቱ እዮም
They will play football.
Follow and like the channel and share with whom which wishes to learn Tigrinya.